Hi, so today we'll be learning about lead generation and sales automation. Why sales automation matters. So here are some stats. 79% of leads never convert due to slow follow-ups. But here, AI enables instant engagement plus higher response rates. It also saves time by automating repetitive tasks, creates a consistent customer experience, and it boosts conversation and revenue growth. So here are the tools I'll be going through today. The first one is ManyChat. So ManyChat captures leads with AI-powered chatbots. So like for Instagram, Facebook. So if you reply to a story, a post, or anything, AI will automatically message you. HubSpot AI stores and qualifies leads with AI scoring. Apollo.io, it automates outreach emails and follow-ups. And Go High Level tracks leads in the CRM and pipeline reminders. So the first one we were going over is ManyChat. So ManyChat is what we want is captures the leads. It automates conversations on Instagram and it engages visitors with a chat bot in an instant form. It captures the lead info's name, email, and phone, and it sends data directly to the CRM. So how to use. So instead of going here, we will actually go on the ManyChat. So if I've already created an account, so once you create an account, it will bring you to this page. Go back to home. So you can see on the front page, that's my name. We will be going to automation, new automation. Our goal is to have auto DM links from stories when you reply to a story on Instagram. So any story, any words or reaction. And then the Instagram. So for example, I'm gonna be using an example of like a fitness company. So if when someone replies to my story with free guide, it'll be going live. And then the many chat will send a message back. One sec. Where is it? Just add it up. It'll send a follow-up like this. So if the user is following your account or if the user replies to your story, it'll send a message like this. It'll say, great, drop your email to receive the free meal plan. And then if the person doesn't respond in like 1 to 2 days, it'll say, while you wait, would you like me to also share 3 bonus tips on using Excel for the business? I'll just follow up each time. You can even edit it like if you want story, you can say specific story. You don't have to say every single Instagram story or even all stories. Or even you can edit if the person follows your account or not. So like other bots don't message you. Okay. So this is everything that we went through, the steps of creating automation on ManyChat, like the steps, how to use it, how to create so you can start from scratch, new automation, Instagram, if it comments on your post or reel, replies to your story, or even if the user clicks a referral link. So the next AI tool is HubSpot AI. So HubSpot AI is a central CRM to store all leads. So it uses the AI scoring rank from hot, warm, or cold. It automates personalized follow-up emails. It segments leads for targeted campaigns, and it provides engagement, insights, and analytics. So how to use HubSpot? So here's the HubSpot. I've already started like this is an example AI lead. So just going back to the meal plan one, the AI scoring leads. So for example, if the person submits the guide, if you send them the guide and how many times they have opened the guide, it'll score the lead for like different types of points. So like 20 points would be warm, 30 will be hot. So like how many times they clicked on it. And also how many times they tracked your Instagram page in the last 30 days. So we'll track you can put a number. So if it's 10, it will be warm, 20 it gets hotter, 30 hotter, and etc. Also, you can also add other properties such as the last activity day, last close day, last contacted day. So the last time you guys contacted each other, the next activity date, number of sales, number of times contacted, and owner assigned date. So this is just to track your leads and to make sure your sales are going through. And this is just the steps to curating. So build a custom lead, of course, using a flexible builder, the builder that we just showed. It's the same thing. And the next tool is Apollo.ai, an outreach automation. So Apollo AI is a build targeted prospect list with advanced filters. It automates email campaigns and multi-step follow-ups. It uses AI personalization to scale outreach effectively. It tracks engagement, so open rates, replies, conversations, and it ensures no lead slips through the tracks. So how to use Apollo.ai? So here's just the email marketing page of Apollo. So it's setting up one email. So here's like a rough draft that I made. It shows sending the email. So hi, this is the automated email. Hi, thanks for grabbing our free meal plan guide. I hope it's very helpful. We help people like you. And then would you like me to share a quick tip on how to get the most out of it? You just save it. It sends emails every 30 minutes after a sign up. If you want, we can restart so you can use our own from scratch. So the sequence name, how to create a email, meal guide, just the business example business that we're running. It'll send emails in the normal business hours, so like Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And you can even send emails to your LinkedIn or interact with people's posts like using the AI. So like even if you're not on your LinkedIn, you can also interact with posts, phone calls, manual email, automatic email. It'll send emails every 30 minutes, just like we showed. And you can just first write with AI as well. AI can write the full email after you create your profile and your business. Here's just another way of creating email sequences, writing personal emails, just the steps. You can even track engagement by monitoring open clicks and replies in the Apollo dashboard. And the last AI tool is Go High Level. It's like a pipeline tracking. It's a all-in-one CRM for like managing your leads and sales, just like the others. It tracks prospects through the pipeline stages, so like the new people contacted, qualified, and then closed. But like in that order of the people that you're trying to sell to. It automates reminders, SMS, and emails for follow-ups, just like Apollo. It provides dashboards and reports for team performance, and it ensures no opportunity is missed. And this is just the example dashboard I could find. I couldn't really get onto it, but it makes your dashboard for you. See if I can find it. Cool. Here's the page. Just helping your business grow. It's the order. So capture and then nurture, like it sends you emails and then closes. And yeah, that's all from the sales and lead generation and sales automation. Thank you.